Welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to find out who views your Mobile Legend profile. Now, let's get started. First open your Mobile Legend apps, and after this, if you wanna see or find who views your Mobile Legends profile, you just click on your profile icon at the top, this one. You can click on it, and after this, in here you can see a recent visit. This is the people or the user views your Mobile Legend profile. If you wanna see who this your visit your Mobile Legend profile, you can click on the picture, click on it, and in here you can see the people views your Mobile Legend profile, and then you can go back, and in here you can click or a second photo. This is the different people, or you can click on the third photo, and then this is the different people again. So that's how to find out who views our Mobile Legend profile. I hope you found this video to be helpful. If you enjoy with the content, please consider like, comment, and subscribe down below. Bye bye.